Today I'm going to show you a really easy, really simple, really inexpensive way to organize your tripods for under $1. Hey, welcome back to Advanced Geekery. My name is David Gewirtz, and today I'm going to show you a very quick, very inexpensive way to organize your tripods.
This program is sponsored in part by the Advanced Geekery weekly newsletter. Want exclusive access to my latest ZDNet articles, behind-the-scenes updates on my projects, and must-watch YouTube videos curated just for you? How about fascinating reads from around the web and a chance to have your own project spotlighted? It's all in the newsletter. And the best part, subscribing is absolutely free. Don't wait, click the link below to get your weekly issue and make it awesome.
They consist of using this device, which you can 3D print and which I will have the instructions for below, and it prints in place, and I mounted 3 of them up here, and you can mount them on any kind of space you want. But let me show you how they work. Here's my first tripod. Boom, tripod mounted. Here's my second tripod. Boom, tripod mounted. In this case, I have a long monopod thing, and boom, tripod mounted. That's it. Find yourself a flat surface where you can screw this thing in, print yourself a few of these for like 25 cents each, and you've got a new organization system. That's it. Easy, simple, inexpensive, and gets these off of shelves and off the floor. For Advanced Geekery, my name is David Gewirtz. Go out there and organize something awesome.